Hi guys, welcome back to Scripted Success Master. Today we are at a chapter 7 of the series Learn Google Sheets from scratch and you become a zero to hero. Today we will learn basic functions like subtraction, addition, percentage difference and the discount value. Okay. We are using these functions in our daily life through calculator or the mobile. Google Sheets more simplifies it. So let's get started. Let me explain the table first. We have the data of the fruits where name of the fruits in the column A, rate which we have in 2023 in column B, and rate which we have in 2024 at the column C. We need to calculate the price difference and percentage difference through this table. Okay. Every formula will start through is equal to sign. So what we will do, we'll put a is equal to first. What we have to do, 2024 rate minus 2023 rate. So click on equal to. It will show you the data where the difference between the two rates by simplifying the selecting C2 and B2. This is called as cell reference also. So what will happen whenever you want to fetch the data or you want to change the data here, it will get it changed automatically. Let's say you want to change the data to 160. The formula will auto capture the data and the price difference will get automatically. So now what we have to do, let's say we have to auto populate this formula to the below tables also. So there are 2-3 methods. First method, what you can do, just check for this dot. Whenever you're hovering, it will be plus sign. Just click there and drag it down. So what will happen? Formula will auto populate down. So what you can see, the reference numbers also are changing. Whenever you are clicking on F2, so it will show the formula behind it. So C3 minus B3. Similarly, this is also changing. So this is the first method. Another method will be, let me control Z it. Another method will be, you select the cell where formula is already there. Select it and select the further down wherever you want to implement the formula. Click on the control D. So similar formula will get applied there. This is a method. Another method is copy paste. So what you can do, just simply copy this function and select the cells where you want to paste the function. So control V. So it will automatically copy paste the function. We covered this last time. Wherever you want to copy paste the paste special and you want to copy paste the formats and formula. I am not covering that again, but you have the options here again. Okay, so I'll just use this function, so it will auto populate it. Next is percentage difference between the rate. So rate change. So what will be the formula? Is equal to what you have to do, percentage change compared to last year or year 2023. So what you can do, you just simply click on the price change, divide by the year you want to compare. You want to compare it with the last year or 2023 year. So you select it here and you click on the equal to. So what will happen? It will show the percentage different, but this is not in the percentage set. So what we have to do, just click on the format as a percentage. So it will automatically convert that into percentage. You can adjust the decimal places here to look it readable. So it's a pretty simple. So what it is saying, from 2023 to 24, apple prices have increased by 6%, where banana prices are decreased by 10%. So it's a simple mathematical formula. You can check. So it's just what we have done, difference divided by the original price. So you can click on the F2, so you will get to know. So we have what we have done, difference divided by original rate or the previous year rate where you want to compare it. Okay, we have covered subtraction, the percent difference here. We are covering now addition. It's a pretty simple. Every time you click on is equal to start it, click on the first value, then click on plus, click on the next value, and it will just share you the total value here. This we have covered the is equal to. For summing the values, we have more functions like sum or additions, but we will cover that in later on chapters where we will deep dive in more functions. Next table is a discount table where what we have a list of products like a bag, shoes and watch. We have the MRPs, and what we have discount percentage. Now what we have to calculate the final price after the discount. So how much I have to pay by checking the discount. Now what we can do in a step by step method. So every time you click on the is equal to, what now we have to do, we have to calculate discount value. So click here on the MRP, click on the multiplication sign, click on the discount value, click on enter. So what will it is saying, 10% discount on the MRP 1200 rupees will be the discount value will be 120 rupees. I'll just drag the formula down so it will show all the cells. Now final price will after discount will be is equal to MRP minus discount value. So you can click enter. So it is pretty simple. It is saying you have to pay 1080 for the bags considering 10% discount. MRP is 1200, but you have to pay only 1080. We can do that directly. Instead of doing that in the 2 steps, we can do it directly. So what will be the formula? You have to do is equal to, you have to select the MRP first, into, you have to put a brackets 1 minus discount value. So close the bracket, hit enter. So you will get a same result. So it's just a mathematical formula, but with the just a different approach. Which 2 approaches we have used? One is direct through the MRP and discount, and one is step by step. You can have both the methods, whatever suits you. Okay. So today we have covered subtraction, percentage difference, summation and the discount calculation. Okay. Now come back to watch a next chapter where we will cover more complex formulas to simplify your life. Thanks for watching.